All right, we're here right at open. Was here before open, so we're going to take a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq here, taking a little liquidity sweep down. From over the weekend, we had a big liquidity sell-off from here, all the way down to 568. It's over a 389 point move with a breakout of the trend here at 6 a.m. We're going to see what happens here. 100-point move after that. Big day here. Be very cautious with trading. We're going to wait for the bottom tick to appear here at 940. Sellers are in right now. Oh boy, Michael, what up? Still just waiting here at open. Let me grab some. Still just waiting here. Wasn't a good pullback right there. We had somewhat of a pullback come up right here at 933. Let's just keep waiting. Let sellers come in right at open. See how aggressive they can sell out. They can sell all the way back down from when they open, because once we pumped all the way back up. Since opening, we pumped over 400 points, but over the weekend we crashed over 400 points. So we gained it back exactly what we did over the weekend. Let's just take a look back. Sorry about that. Hitting some zones here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We're on this bitch. Fuck. we're done for the day. 181 for the day in the matter of 5 minutes since New York opened. That's how we do shit. It's 100 degrees out here in Michigan, 83 degrees right now. About to have a great day golfing, touching grass, sand. Bull flags are occurring though. You can take this trade. Beautiful low of the day occurring here. And we can see how it rides here. But beautiful trade up 181. No need to go chase nothing else. We're done. 3 and done. First trade was a little late, little fast profit, took a little loss. Second trade, big 180 in like a matter of a minute. And then the second one I had to consolidate for a second. But great bull flag here. We waited for the liquidity sweep to happen at New York Open, and then bull flag played out right at 9:36. Didn't even have to wait 20, 30 minutes, like sometimes. Sometimes this shit happens fast. Sometimes it happens at open. It just depends on what day you are, but it's going to happen every day. It's a bull flag, continuous setup at any pair. Gold, Bitcoin, Nasdaq, US 30, whatever you trade, you name it. Bull flag occurred. I would have been up over 900 now, or 73 points. Once the top would have been 1,500. 600 for a $1,500 trade. That's good. 3 and 1 versus 3 4. Right at open. Beautiful bang. Drop some questions in the chat. Should have held the trade. I like holding these longs during PM session. More confirmation on liquidity sweeps because you see what happens from the past during New York. All we are seeing right now is past from London and Asian session. So from 6 p.m. yesterday till 9:30 today, we're seeing. And that's like sometimes it doesn't always work the way you want it to. We just have another bull flag play out right here. The news has everybody selling right now. Everybody thinks that we are in war. The market's going to crash. It's done for. It did crash, but we've seen way worse. Like there's nothing that has happened to the market. Market is pumping, as you see today, right at open. This is when the hedge funds clock and go to work and do the same shit. Wait for a bull flag, buy. They're going to hop off back at 12 o'clock, take their little lunch break, hop on PM session, wait for another bull flag to occur again, or just sell off of the market during PM session. But they control big moves in the market for sure. Like, who do you think controlled this fucking move over the weekend? You know, you think Trump and the news? Or you think sellers in the bank? Obviously, both had to do into tuition into it. But news, every time people get news, they get FOMO every single time. Like 6 months ago, we had news that the market was going to crash. We went all the way down, and then we popped all the way back up in a matter of a day. The biggest return in history, they said. So that's why buying is number one. Buying, the market goes up 80, 90% of the time. Why would you not want to make money 80, 90% of the time? That's why I get mad at myself selling when I go for sell setups. Sells obviously happen, but my setups, my strategy is more profitable with a buy setup. And it's proven. Every profitable trader I've talked to, I've been through being profitable every time from buying, waiting for a buy setup, not waiting for a sell setup, because sell setups can take too long to occur, continuing to make new highs slowly. It's just not worth waiting. Beautiful, beautiful fucking trade here. We did just smack our take profit. So if you're still in this trade, I would secure your profit at 843. That's an 81 point move. We had barely to any drawdown. We had drawdown from here, a 7-point drawdown move. I had a 20-point stop for an 89-point move. That's a 5-to-1, not 4-to-1. But like, let me tell you how the sells are. The market is very selling. That's like you would think it'd be very sellish. We just had a bear flag. Okay. Now we're going to continue to go up. If we make new highs, that bear flag is not a confirmation. And it happens all the time. It sells. With buys, it's a different story. Buys are way easier, way much more prediction, more volatile, faster, with confirmation of when it's going to go down and reverse next time, you know? That's why I don't really like paying attention to news besides FOMC, inflation headlines, all that stuff, because those days are different type of volatility. Like you get 1,000-point days, like the day before of those days and the day of, trying to hit the weekly liquidity. It's easy. Just going back for liquidity from the past week. That's what it does on FOMC news days. And that's why a lot of people say don't trade news because it's very volatile. But if you don't know what you are doing and you have not been in the past to see that, then it's a stay away zone for sure. Just waiting here. Let's take a look at some news. So we have Starlinks now available in less than this motherfucker should say. So over the weekend, Trump did post a tweet saying that he knew he bombed Iran basically, and that's what a lot of people are having FOMO in right now. Me, no FOMO, bro. I've been in this game too long. I'm not letting shit get in my way anymore. No FOMO has gotten to me. Last FOMO, I already knew what happened. It's gonna happen every time. Like I've been in the game 5 years now. Every time there's some news, it does the opposite of what that news is gonna do. We're the strongest country in the world. This is how our country stays alive, is from this market. Like we're not ever gonna crash, and if we do, it's gonna be correction for people to make multiple times money, and it won't last long because the banks take advantage of it faster than people blink an eye. Like it's funny. That's why you gotta be ready, have an open mindset, know what you're getting into, and be a risk on person. Great move. Volatility starting to tick here at 9:45. Big wigs. We gotta have two red folders coming out right here. That's why. So sellers could come in right here. I would target this liquidity down here to 825. Okay. Every time that we fuck you, right? See you touch.
It's time to play Super Ref from the Michigan Lottery. The raffle with the biggest payout. With the $6 million grand prize, plus two prizes of $1 million, $12,000 prizes, and thousands of other cash prizes.
Beautiful move up to the upside we had here right after open. As predicted, the low of the day was coming into play. We did have some great zones here from the liquidity at Asian session that just accumulated for hours. Never touched it. 747 kept its lows right at 756 and just pumped 200 fucking points afterwards. Right. 133, but we're still going to continue to pump here. See if we hit the Asian highs. Break out of Asian highs here. Go back to 22s. Like I tweeted on Thursday, on Friday. Yeah, I gotta make some fucking orange. Like it's innocence. They go pay himself. Fuck, man. That shit was over. ass that though used to be. Yeah, everybody like the same shit. It's news. I've never paid attention to news, bro. We can be anywhere, bro. Nasdaq's always gonna go up. It's me, radio ass that. Okay, we're gonna call that a stream. Make sure you guys tune in, like and subscribe. We'll be back here tomorrow at 9:30. Nasdaq open. Make sure you share, like, and tune in tomorrow. Use code JPH for 80% off eVals. 50Ks are running from like $30. If you don't got $30, get the fuck off my life. Have a good day. See you guys tomorrow.